Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I went shopping today at Walmart and also this Hispanic store that my husband liked to go to get all his meat that he uses for his meals on Saturdays and Sundays. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Don't mind the toddler. And this includes a case of water that's out in the garage. Mommy. Yes. Popsicle, yes. We have to put it in the freezer. You can't have it right now. It's not ready. So we went to the Spanish market and we picked up meat for Rob. This was Madison. You're being rude. You're being rude. You're being rude. Okay? Hang on a second. He picked up 2 of these. And the other one is down here. This is leaking, so can't really have that. And then I got my leg quarters from Walmart. Look at this. This is a grocery haul. Should I show? Guys, can you put this in the freezer for Daddy? Hold this like that. It's leaking. Hold the bag. Hold the bag. Go. Put the whole bag. Put the covered. The chicken. There go another one. And these were $5. Okay, so for my meals, Walmart was out of a lot of stuff, including ground beef. So I just picked up chicken thighs. So I did 2 things of chicken thighs. I'm missing a bunch of meat for 2 weeks, so I have to go back out. I have to brave this whole COVID-19. I have to go back out, and I really don't want to, but I have to, because I need meat. I need ground beef, and I need more chicken. We got mixed vegetable. I got 2 packets of mixed vegetable. We already have corn, so, and then I got wedges. These are the wedges, the ones that I like. I usually just throw that in the oven, and that's a quick meal for myself. Got some bowls. Bows, whatever. Bows. I call them bowls. I got 3 bags, and then I have another bite-sized tortilla chips over there. And I think behind that is a big box of popcorn for the kids. I just got the 24 bags, and that's the butter flavored one. And apple. We have apple. Every time I go to the Spanish market, I always get banana chips, because that's the only place I can find it. So I usually get that, and these are amazing. I love these. Love these. So every time I go there, I usually pick up a few. So yeah, I'm surprised I haven't devoured that yet. So we have whipped cream cheese, strawberry spread. And I think this is open. I feel busted. No, it's not. We have garlic powder. I think more garlic powder. No, onion powder and garlic powder. Yeah, because I'm always running out of garlic powder before onion powder. We have strawberry Pop-Tart, and then we have cookies and cream Pop-Tart. Not the greatest, but hey, who cares? Vegetable oil right there. And we have milk. I should have grabbed 2, but yeah, about that. We have apples and cinnamon. Rob loves these. Got 2 big bags of cereal. The toddler likes the ones with the marshmallow, so I have to always get the ones with the marshmallow, or else she won't eat them. Well, yeah, she won't eat a cereal if it doesn't have marshmallow in it. Well, she only eats the marshmallow. She don't eat the actual cereal. Don't know why we don't just buy her marshmallow and be done with it. Look at her, already dirty. Why are you so dirty? Dirty baby. Stop touching stuff with your hands. Go wash your hands. Get down and go wash your hands. Go and wash your hands, Madison. We have onion. We have potato. We have, what are these called? Popsicles. 2 things of international delight hazelnut because you know I love my coffee and I cannot be without creamer. No, ain't gonna happen. We have some turkey. We have a ton of hot dogs. Yeah, because kids are home from school. We have bell pepper. Rob only got 2. We have heavy whipping cream because I don't know why I got this. I thought I needed it, but I don't think I need it, but I got it just in case. We have Goya beans, red beans. I've been stocking up on red beans because, you know, just in case they decide to shut everything down, I can feed my kids beans so that they can fart up the place. We have Pop Secret kettle corn. This is my favorite. I don't eat any other popcorn other than this. And if there is popcorn in the house and it's not this, I have to pour a ton of sugar on it in order to eat it. So I get the kettle corn, this one. I wish Walmart had their brand in this one. I haven't seen it, but this is expensive just for 12 bags. The kids one is 24 bags, and you get more. This one is less, and it's the same price. Oh, but I like what I like. We got variety pack. And then we have this one. Aren't they the same? No, I don't know. And we have Trolls because Madison is into character fruit snacks. So last week she had Paw Patrol. This week is Trolls. So yeah, about that. Don't start bad habits with your children. I got her candy because I told her that if she didn't go to the store because she was bawling to go to the store, and I do not want to take my kids out in these streets. It ain't gonna happen because Madison will catch corona because she puts her hands in her mouth. She touch everything and put her hand in her mouth, and she be one walking up in here with corona. Look at her. Oh, so I was like, what do you want me to bring you back? She was like, candy. So I brought her candy. I brought her an egg. She already ate the egg. That's why she looks a hot mess. We got tortilla. These are the ones that you have to actually warm up before you eat them. You can't just pop these bad boys out and put stuff on it and just eat it. This is the real deal. This is like what you see them Spanish women be. I don't know what I'm talking about. But Rob got that. That's his thing. I know nothing about that. Sharp cheddar cheese. This is what I snack on because, you know, I'm losing weight. And, yeah, when I get hungry and I want something to snack on, I grab for this. I usually take a couple slices and pop it in my mouth and I'm good to go. So I'll be walking around here constipated. We have cheese for the toddler. Excuse me. Cheese singles for their sandwiches that they make. This is dishwasher packs. Fresh scent because I'm running out. I think I only have 4 left. And this has 12. So I can wash my dishes 12 times. Rob got some Red Label. Johnny Walker, because you can't be going through quarantine without something to hold you down. Just be holding us down, you know what I mean? And then we got some wine because, yeah, I have my kids at home full time, all day, every day. No break. Can't even go to the bathroom. Nothing. So, yeah. This will get us through one day. Get the alcohol out the way. We got some patties. Got 2 things of patties. We have Texas toast because Rob is supposed to be making me lasagna either tomorrow or Sunday because I requested lasagna because, you know, you girl haven't had carbs in like forever. What is this? We got strawberry banana yogurt from Walmart. We have some Jello snacks. We have eggs. You know how long I've been searching for eggs? Long time. I went 2 weeks without eggs, so I was excited. I wish Rob would have picked up another one because, yeah. Coca-Cola zero sugar to go with our Johnny Walker, you know. Swallowtail. I love this thing. It makes Rob's clothes smell amazing. He loves the smell, and I love the fact that he likes the smell, and I like the fact that he likes to smell good. And I don't know what I'm talking about right about now, but we got butter. Just in case I want to make cheesecake. You know, one day we up in here. Rob is an essential worker, so he's considered an essential worker. So he has to go to work. So hopefully they don't close their doors, because I don't think I could manage having my husband in my house every day, all day. No, he got to go to somebody's work. I don't care if he got to become a nurse or a doctor. Original sour cream. He got to get out of my house. We got sharp cheddar cheese. We got some lasagna situation, because Rob is making me lasagna. I said that already. Shoot. We got cereal grain, cereal bars, cereal whatever. The kids been going through these like no other. Like, this is all they eat all day, every day. Mommy, can I get a cereal bar? What? Stop. No. Ooh. Whew. Okay. So, anyways, guys, this concludes the haul. I don't think I missed anything. If I did, I'm sorry. I apologize. But I spent $230 for all of this. And yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Say thank you guys for watching. Say thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. No, say I'll see you next week. All right. Say bye.